In order to run a good conversion campaign and retarget your cold and hot audiences in Facebook ads, you need to set up a custom conversion. This is even important, especially because of a new update of the iOS. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom conversion into your Facebook ads and how you can also activate them. Because when you create a custom conversion, you need to activate it first in order to use it in your Facebook ads campaign. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3. When you set up a conversion goal into your Facebook ads, it's highly recommended that you set up your custom conversion as well. Why? Because it will help Facebook to understand what type of audience are liking your ads. This can help you to optimize your ads and to lower down your cost per result. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you set up a custom conversion, and we will also tackle the basic and best practices of setting up the custom conversion, like how you can share, how you can set up, how you can validate, so on and so forth. So, for example, this is the landing page. Actually, I already set up the custom conversion in here, but I'm gonna show you like how did I did this one, and how I can share this one to others and to your Facebook Business Manager. So, okay, so let's create additional custom conversion events because we already done this part here. And this one, I'm just not so sure why it's not working, but I think Facebook has issues with the event thing. So we will not cover that, but hopefully I can create a new tutorial for that if Facebook already fixed this issue. So anyway, so basically the landing page in here is every time someone sign up to this form, we want it to be redirected, or we want it to be converted as a conversion or signed up. That's why I created a basic signed up conversion in here. And this one is already active, so we will create a different version. So first, you need to have a thank you page or a thank you link. So as a test, I created a page called Test Me. And then we will just replace the thank you page in here because this one is already set up on our API onto our login link, but I'm gonna replace that later because I'll just want to show you how the custom conversion works. So let's go back with the back end, and I'll go in here and then go to the submission, and oh, it's not working. Let me just refresh this one. Okay, not that one, sorry. So forms, so click the edit, and then um I'm gonna replace, so in here under the actions part, redirect, I'm gonna temporarily replace the thank you link to this test page that I created. Okay, and then saved and published. Okay, so so once you already create a lead magnet, and then you already create a thank you page that is connected to your lead magnet, we can then create a custom event. So in order to access this part, you need to log into your Facebook Business Manager, and then you need to select the business manager name, and you can go into the events manager. You can click this part here, or you can click this events and manager. But first you need to select your business manager and click this one. So whichever you prefer is fine. So this one or this one, events manager, and then you go into the custom conversion. Okay, custom conversion, and then I'm gonna select the I mean, you can put it on this ad account. It really depends on you and which part of ad accounts you want to put your custom conversion. So I'm gonna put it on this ad account because we are running the ads in this ad accounts. So I'm gonna click this create custom conversion and we'll put it test sign up and then all traffic. So currently this unfortunately this part here is not working right now. That's why I'm gonna come up a different tutorial for that once Facebook already fixed this bug. So let's just go with a basic custom conversion. So you select this one, all URL traffic, and then what's the URL thing? So I want it to be, you can use um the real linked, or you can just put in something URL that is contains test me. You can do that. It's shorter. You can also duplicate different URLs. So if you have a lot of custom conversion, that will work. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this one. And for now, we don't have value, but if you have price tag with your conversion, then feel free to put a value in there. Okay, and then you click the create. Okay, and then done. So currently, the test sign up is inactive. So how you can trigger that, how you can test that. Go back with your data in sources, and then you select your pixel, and then you go into your settings area and go with the open event setup tools. Or you can also access the open event setup tools under the overview. Click add events from the pixel. Click this one, open event setup tools. And then we will copy that link there and put it here. So basically we're just testing all the standard events. You can add additional events into your page or just test it out. Currently, my standard events are complete registrations. So these are complete registrations. These are view content, and then I'm only tracking the buttons right now because my landing page is not really so complicated. So yeah. So we want to test that out. Like we want this to be active, this custom conversion thing. So in order for us to make this active, we want to um we want to test this out. So we want to try going to to all the traffic. So we already went there. And then we need to sign in order to go in. We need to fill in the fields in order for us to go to the test me. So I'm going to fill in my name there, put my information, just put something like a text, and then click the get started. After that, I believe we will be redirected to the new thank you page that we created. I'm not sure why this is so slow. Hold on. So yeah, so we already have this part here. You can just remove that. Yeah, that's not really necessary. Now, if I refresh this one, I am expecting that the test is already active because we've done it already. So we went to the page, we fill in the fields, and then we went to the test me thank you page. That's why our this one is already active. So if you want to share your custom conversion into your business manager or to the main ad account that is tied up to this business manager, because this Hollywood branded business manager, it's the real or the main ad account for that is this, not this one. So if you want to share it, you just need to click this share and then click this share with ad account, or this one will works if you want it to be shared on a different business manager. Again, Facebook business manager and ad accounts are different. So if you click this one here, click that, and if I go you go in this part, you'll see that this test sign in is already added in the business manager that is tied up to our ad account. Okay, I hope that makes sense, guys. And if you have any questions or concerns, let me know.